yourself in Thượng Temple, a place of leisure majesty, a spiritual culture of Lào Cai City, Vietnam, where you can find solace peace, explore a culture steeped in tradition and a belief defined by compassion. Thượng Temple has an authentic, exquisite art of architecture, where dragons fly, statues serve Buddha's glow, and ancient Vietnamese sculpture, calligraphy, and carpentry from 1,000 years ago. A place where all are welcome, regardless of your philosophy or faith. Built during the late dynasty, named of arrangers Chính Hoa from 1680 to 75, to commemorate Trần Quốc Tuấn, Vietnam's national hero, who commanded the Đại Việt armies that repelled 3 major Mongol invasions in the 13th century. Via many embellishments and restoration, in 1996, Thượng Temple was ranked as National Historical and Cultural Monuments. From the moment you arrive, you will feel extraordinary peace. Your visit begins on a long road surrounded by nature. Walk on the moss veiled trail. Listen to the sound of birds, of crickets, of nature. Enjoy the light, the woody incense, and many different plants and greenery. Saunter through the road to see the 300-year-old banyan tree and all of an immense area impressed by charming beauty of mountains. Thượng Temple were invested and built with 7 main spacious tabernacles, including the Tabernacle of Gautama Buddha, the Tabernacle of 3 Gods of Mothers, the Holy Altar of Trần Hưng Đạo, the Tabernacle of King, and the side altars Thả Vũ, Vũ Hữu. The artistic interior, which reveals sculpture, painting, carpentry, and embroidery crafted by the skilled Vietnamese artisans. Perhaps while you visit, you will explore the harmonious chanting in prayer. It is a place where visitors from all walks of life can explore the Buddhist philosophy through meditation, charitable giving, traditional rituals, and, of course, the Vietnamese art and craftsmanship. The main festival of Thượng Temple is held on the January 15, according to the lunar calendar every year. A series of cultural and sports activities were held during the festival, along with a display of agricultural products and handicrafts from 17 communities and works in Lào Cai City. Only by visiting can you understand its impact. Come and inspire your mind and spirit. Find peace, art, or new ways of life. Find yourself here at the National Temple located at Northern Lào Cai Province, Vietnam.